Hey there, everybody. It's Mrs. Miscavish, and today I have a game idea for you of something a little bit different at home that you might want to think about if you need a little movement, need a little break from school. This is going to be a great math-based game for you that you could do at home. So to play this game, you need a flashlight, and if there's more than one kiddo at your house, you're going to each want your own flashlight. So round up some flashlights, and then you just need other small pieces of paper. Sticky notes work, or a piece of paper cut up into smaller pieces like this works just as well. So ahead of time, you're going to need to create a deck of cards or pieces of paper that have the numbers on it 0 to 5 if you're in kindergarten, maybe up to 10 if you're a kindergarten or first grader and you want to push yourself. You could even do this with larger numbers up to 20 or beyond, whatever works best for your family. So this game is called Flashlight Tag, and what you're going to do is you're going to create that stack of numbers with the paper, and then you're going to spread them out throughout the room. Try to choose maybe a darker room, one that you can close the blinds or close the curtains, or maybe in the basement, someplace that gets a little bit darker. Again, whatever suits your family. So after the numbers you're just going to write one number on each piece of paper. So a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3, and again, whatever number range your family's planning on using. And then spread those around the room. You could put them all on the floor if you want. You could tape some of them on the walls. You could do door frames. You could even do the whole house if you really wanted to get up and moving and kind of racing around a little bit. You could just make sure they're not totally hidden. You want them to be visible by shining the flashlight around. So maybe behind a door, but not like inside of a drawer. So you can scatter the numbers around, and then you can either take turns coming up with the math problems, or the adult can come up with the math problems. You just want to make sure that the answer is one of the numbers that's hidden throughout the house or the room, wherever you're playing. So then the adult gives the problem, and then the kids race around with their flashlights and and once they find the answer, then they shine their light on it. This game is totally customizable. So again, the number range is customizable. You could do subtraction the same way and just focus on subtraction facts. You could also do multiplication or division the same way. Just kind of keep in mind the range of numbers, and the problem that you give needs to be one of the answers that's around the house to find. You can also set a timer and see how many you can find in a minute or in 2 minutes. You could create teams, or each player gets their own color. So use one marker for one set of numbers and then a different colored marker for a different set of numbers. So that way, as I'm going around and my color's red, but I find the blue answer, I'm not allowed to use that as I'm not allowed to keep that as my score. I have to go keep hunting it down. And then, again, different ages can play together. It can be all collaborative. It could be a little bit competitive, kind of whatever your family needs in this time to keep it light, keep it movement, and keep it fun, and a little bit of math practice for your addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division facts. But I was specifically thinking this would be fun for our little learners at home who like to move around and would enjoy shining their light on different numbers throughout your house or the room. So enjoy, and there'll be more ideas coming at you as we continue to do distance learning. Have a great week.